Everybody, this is Fred with redlineautosports.com and redlinemusclecars.com. This is our 70 Super B 383 4-speed. Awesome little car. Runs and drives great. 4-speed shifts like butter. It's got disc brakes, manual steering, rally wheels. It is B7 Blue. And it just purrs like a kitten. Beautiful car. It is a true WM21 pop-out rear window hardtop. .383 pistol grip 4-speed with bucket seats. Has the buddy seat in the middle of the bucket seats. Pistol grip shifter with the Hurst. All the bells and whistles. Dome light works. Paint's beautiful. Beautiful rally wheels. New Cobra radial GTs. It's got the cool Super B stripe. Awesome sounding dual exhaust. Beautiful crisp white vinyl top. AM FM CD player. Really nice blue interior. It's so pretty. Come see us at redlinemusclecars.com. Your classic car and truck and muscle car connection. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed day.